Hello and welcome back to Intelligent Mobile Apps with Ionic and API.AI. In this lecture, I am going to introduce you to the Ionic Framework. Ionic Framework today is one of the most popular and amazing open source framework that lets you build truly cross-platform mobile applications. The applications that you build with Ionic are built using the latest web technologies. So all you need is the knowledge of little bit of HTML, SCSS and TypeScript. Since the latest version of Ionic, which is Ionic 3 as of now, uses Angular, we will have to use TypeScript to write all the code for our applications. TypeScript is a superset language for JavaScript, but current browsers do not understand TypeScript. So all the TypeScript code that we write in our application is compiled down to vanilla JavaScript code that our browsers can understand. Similarly, all the SCSS code that we write in our applications in Ionic is compiled down to corresponding CSS code, which today's browsers can understand. So we use HTML, SCSS and TypeScript along with the backing framework called Angular. Once we are done with building our Ionic application, which is essentially a web application, we use Cordova to wrap that application inside a native application, and then that application can be run on various mobile platforms. So if you want to build your application for Android, your Ionic application will be wrapped inside an Android application, and the look and feel that that application gets is because of Ionic. So the application looks completely native, it is very high performant, and you'll save a lot of time and money while building your applications with Ionic. So all you do is write your code once and you get applications for multiple platforms including Android, iOS and Windows. So this was all about Ionic. In the next video, we'll learn about API.AI, and in the next module, we will learn a lot more about Ionic.